Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make a soap. The soap that I'll be making today is called Sandalwood Care. It's a product in my page, you can see from there. So for that we need mixture of oils. This is a mixture of oil. There are 4 kind of vegetable oils in it which are very good for skin. I have distilled water here. I have fresh cream. I have almond butter. This is the fragrance oil, essential oil that I'll be using, sandalwood oil. This one is sodium hydroxide. This is sandal powder, some natural loofahs and a bit of color. So now let's start. First of all, we will take this mixture of oil and keep it aside. We'll make the lye water first. So to make the lye water, we need to mix this sodium hydroxide with distilled water. We'll keep it aside. In the meanwhile, I'll mix this oil I'll add the fresh cream into it. And give it a bit of stir, and I'll add the almond butter. Next I'll be adding this sandal powder that I've bought from Mysore Sandal. I'll add a lump-sum amount. And I'll mix the lye water to it. I'll add a bit of color into this, color. You can see the mixture has thickened up quite a bit. Now I'll be adding the essential oil to it. with it. I'll be pouring it out. I have already prepared my mold. It is done, complete. I'll leave this for around 18 to 24 hours before I cut this, and I'll cure this. Thanks for watching my channel. Please leave your comments below if you like it or not, and please hit the subscribe button. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been almost 18 to 19 hours almost. I just unmolded it and made the cuts. I forgot to record the unmolding and cutting video. Anyways, so this is how the final product looks. You can see approximately each bar weighs around 110 to 120 grams, in between 110 and 120 grams. So this is it. I'll see you in another video, in another soap making video, or in other videos of mine. Please stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.